This is gonna be tasty. Let's check that out. Guys, wow. Can't wait to eat this. The melted cheddar cheese is starting to melt here. Okay guys, I'm first going to cook my mincemeat here. A good amount of oil. Mix this around. Over here I've got 800 grams of mincemeat here, ground mincemeat. Okay, once the meat is browned a bit and dissolved, we can add in our onions. Here I've got two small onions here, chopped up. We'll give that stir fry with the onions here. Okay, just turn down the heat and we can season the mincemeat. Okay, first I'm gonna sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a lot of white pepper all around on top. Then I'm gonna add in 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder. Over here I've got some steak and chops spice. So I'm just going to give it a quick sprinkle on top, all around. I'm going to sprinkle some cumin on top as well, all around. Good amount of cumin on top. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle some thyme on top. Sprinkle a little bit of rosemary. I'm going to sprinkle lots of Italian herbs here. And also I'm going to sprinkle a lot of oregano on top. So make sure the top is all covered, then you know you have enough. Okay, now I also got this mixed herbs over here. So I'm going to give it a quick sprinkle on top. And then I'm also going to sprinkle a lot of parsley. A lot of spices here. Okay, finally I'm gonna add in 5 teaspoons of sugar. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll give it 6 spoons. Okay, so once we stir fry, it's gonna be a bit dry, so I'm just gonna drizzle a bit of olive oil as well. Okay. Let's stir fry this on high heat. Smelling so good. So you can turn the heat down a bit. Over here I've got 2 chopped tomatoes, and I've got about 5 small potatoes chopped up as well. We're also going to dump it in here to stir fry. Just make sure that the potatoes also have some of that spice covered onto its skin. Okay, once that's done, let's turn down the heat. Okay, over here I've got some pasta sauce over here, tomato. It's called Bolognese, so it's a Bolognese pasta sauce. You can use any. But over here I'm using it. It's about 400-gram packet here. We'll pour all of this pasta sauce in here. Okay, we're going to add in more water, more hot water, because we also need to cook up the potatoes. The potatoes need to go soft a bit. A good amount. We'll let this boil up, and then we'll give this a taste test to see what other ingredients we need to add. Okay guys, so it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Let's add in a drizzle of oyster sauce. I'm also going to add in more sugar. As just now I tasted, it's missing a lot of sugar, so I'm adding in about 5 more teaspoons. Okay, let's also drizzle a little bit of soy sauce, and let's turn up the heat and let's stir fry this. I think once I added in the potatoes and the tomatoes, the taste went bland a bit. That's why I added in more sugar. But let's just give this a quick taste. Okay, the taste is getting there, but I'll be adding in more sugar. Okay, let me just turn down the heat and go wash up some peas. Okay, we have got some washed up peas here. Sprinkle that all around. Let's mix it up. Okay, let's add in more sugar. We'll add in 5 more teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be perfect. Let's give this a taste. Yeah, now it's perfect, the taste. So in total I put in 15 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, I'm gonna just bring down the heat and then I'm just gonna cover this with a lid. Okay guys, so I simmered this for about 20 minutes now. The potato should be ready. Let's give this a taste on the potatoes here. Yeah, it's soft now. Okay, let's prepare the dish. Okay, over here got some pasta over here. Check that out. Handful is pasta. Over here I got some cheddar cheese. Got a few cubes here, cheddar cheese. Let's put this delicious sauce on top. Wow, let's check that out. Woohoo! Check that out. Okay, serve. Wow. Okay, let's give this a taste. Tasty guys. Give this recipe a try guys. Thanks guys for watching.